Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is the latest update of Polygon, and exactly what's the prediction of this coin kind of coming down. There is a chance to them moving upward. Polygon is completely viral coin this time in the crypto market, but they fails down, dumps and dumps. What's the main reason? I also tell you in the upcoming 7 days, can there is a chance to they wake up and they take a jump. Let's see, my brother. Let's get started this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Just and only, my brother, let's see. Just and only the last 7 days chart is on the screen. In the last 7 days, especially at the start of this week, all crypto market is wake off and they take a very huge jump. You can see it like that. This time you can see Polygon is also take a very huge jump. So exactly this jump is just in only, my friend, in last month there is one jump, my friend. You can see here to all crypto market is take a jump, but absolutely after this you can see they also falls down. So the percentage you can see on plus 23%, 23.19% there of the price will increase. So there is main reason is that, my friends, you can see here when they take a this jump. And I remember to every cryptocurrency at the end of month, especially the short term investor, they're starting investing at the end of month. So therefore all crypto market is wake up, and if you are investing in a coin, then exactly, my friends, they're moving upward and the chain occur will be positive. So you can see, my brother, especially at the end of month, to every especially short term investor, they're starting urgently selling. So if if a holder starting selling, then exactly they fails down hour by hour, minute by minute. So my brother, the one reason is that to upcoming 7 days they cannot move upward, especially just in only 2 days, my friend. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency fails down, and especially at the start of month, every cryptocurrency cannot moving upward. So therefore I told you, my brothers, in the start of month all cryptocurrencies fails down. So absolutely, I hope, friends, my expectation is very good from Polygon, but this is the reality, my brothers. So try to understand to upcoming time there's no chance to them moving upward. Otherwise, my friend, if they viral again now, so therefore I cannot say something. But kindly you need to don't sell it. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time when they take a good jump. If you are a short term investor, then absolutely sell it when they take a good jump. And absolutely, if you are a long term investor, then don't see the short fails, short jump. You just only wait for 2022. I hope in 2022 they will, I'm 100% make sure to they will give you a very good profit. So why you are selling? Don't sell it and don't see the short fail. ABS Tech channel will guide you. ABS Tech channel is give you advice. ABS channel is share your our opinion with you. So you need to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more this type video. Thanks for watching. Please holder, and also you share your opinion to this selling time, holding time or buying time. Allah Hafiz, take care.